All right. Continue then. CF number 3. One may not enter these sanctuaries. So when they say sanctuaries, meaning the shuls, neither to escape from heat when it is hot, nor to escape from rain when it's raining. One may not enter the synagogue or study hall for sole purpose of taking shelter from the elements. Okay, so let's read commentary and then we explain what it actually means. Sitting down and saying a few words of the Torah does not permit one to enter and use the sanctuary as a shelter. This is a contrast to the next case mentioned, when one needs to call someone out of the sanctuary. Since in that case there is no alternative. Here, however, he can take shelter in another building. One who was studying Torah outdoors and was interrupted by the rain may enter the sanctuary to continue his learning. Mishnah Brura 151:4. Okay, so basically, what it says that you have to respect synagogue. So it's not just a building, maybe with air conditioner, maybe it's with the heat. No, it's actually sanctuary, as we explained last time. So it's a miniature Beis Hamikdash with divine presence in there. You understand? So just because you're hot or you're cold or you want to go to the bathroom, it's not allowed. 1 second. It's not allowed for us to enter the synagogue. So if person say, okay, I have 15 minutes. Let's say it's raining very hard, and I have 15 minutes. Let me go and learn something. Okay, and you escape from rain. So if your main purpose is to learn and plus you escape from rain, it would be no issue. But if your sole purpose is to escape from heat or from rain or from snow, and since you're already there, you want to open Chumash and read few verses, it's not good. It's disrespect to the place. Okay, continue. If one must enter the call out his fellow. So now, as we said in that commentary, is a different case. So now that this guy has no choice. He has to come in and call his, his father, his brother, okay. Commentary say, or attend any personal needs. Well, maybe he has towels there, maybe he has books there, whatever needs, right? He should enter and first read some verses of the Torah. So, okay, so he's not trying to disrespect the synagogue. He has to enter in order to call guy. He has to enter to borrow, let's say, books, right? Or whatever other reasons. So they say, even in this case, he has to first read few verses of the Torah. Abraham, any questions? You want to ask? No? Okay, good. Okay, 11. So it should not appear as if he entered only for his own needs. So that's how we should respect the Shul. Shulchan continue. He should enter and the first read some verses of the Torah or Mishnah. So Mishnah is usually, or a halacha. Mishnah Brura says, or a halacha, whatever you want. So to show respect to that place, or recite a prayer. You can say Shema, for example. If you know by heart, you can Shema. You can say from the seed, or it's up to you. But you cannot just come for your own business. Or if he cannot learn any of these things, he should listen to some words of the learning from another. So you can sit down, people are learning, people are praying, so you can sit down and listen. Or if something else is possible, if nothing else is possible, so there is nobody there, they all left, right? He should at least remain there for a short time. Commentaries say, literally sit there. See Shulchan, okay. Remain there for a short time. The amount of time that it takes to walk, 8 tefachim. 8 tefachim. So 8 tefachim is not a lot. Okay. This is slightly less than 1 second. So tefach, just so you know, just so we remember, so tefach is like a fist. So fist is they translate it's like 3.5 to 4 inches. So basically they say 1 second. So you have to sit down show respect to the shul, that I came here with respect to the place. Since every spending time in these sanctuaries is also a mitzvah. Okay, that's very interesting commentary. As verse states in Tehillim 84:5, praiseworthy are those who dwell in your house. Okay, and also Shulchan 151. So praiseworthy is the one who dwell in your house of HaShem, as we say, where divine presence is manifests itself in our synagogues. Continue. And only after he has done one of these things, he should call out his fellow. So commentary says, so that it does not appear that if the words of the Torah are less important than the needs to call out his fellow. So basically, first, you put HaShem first, all other things secondary. Okay. Any questions?
Statement again? The statement praiseworthy is.
Just 1 second. Praiseworthy are those who dwell in your house. It's from Tehillim 84:5. Praiseworthy. So house or dwelling place of Shekhinah is a synagogue. Okay.